In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to use memes, funny audio, how to download it from YouTube or any other place, and you will use it in your video content you want to share on Facebook. So let me don't waste your time. Let's go straight to the point. I believe you must have downloaded CapCut to this very app. If you don't have it, if you don't have this app, CapCut, go to Play Store. Go to Play Store and you search for CapCut. Search for CapCut. 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 Look at it. Then this is it. Then you download it. When you download this, install it. Okay? When you install it, then you open it. That's what you'll be using to edit your video. So now we are going to YouTube. You must have YouTube on your phone. Go to YouTube and download that very memes, that very funny audios that you want to use in your content. You go to YouTube, then you search for Nigerian memes sound. Look at it, Nigerian memes sound. Search for it, type it, funny Nigerian memes. You can see it here. That's it, funny Nigerian memes, which is this one. Nigerian memes and sound effects. Then Nigerian new comedy sound, which is this one now. If you tap on it now, you will hear.
I could have killed a lot of people.
You can hear them.
Jesus!
You can hear them. You can hear it. You can hear it.
God have mercy upon us.
To download this now, this is a video, okay? But we are looking to use the sound in our content. So you have to download this video. So to download this video, tap on this share to get the link to this video. Share, then you copy the link. Look at it, copy the link, copy it. When you copy the link, you go to there's different websites you can use and download video from YouTube. But the most common one I will show you now to use is this one, savefrom.net YouTube video downloader. I can see it written here, savefrom.net. See the name. See the name. Just go to Google and search it. Look at the name, savefrom.net. EN1. You see the name. I'm showing you the name. But you just go to Google and search it. Search for it. YouTube video downloader. Save from the net. This very website. Then you will get it. Then you come here and paste that link of that video. You see, it's generating it. Look at it, Nigerian comedy. Then you click on download. I have it already. I don't want to download it again. You just download it. So that's just it. Okay, that's just it. You download it. So use your browser, your Google Chrome browser to do that. Okay, so when you download it, then already you have your video that you want to edit, or you want to put that very sound in. Then you come and open your CapCut. You have CapCut already. You open your CapCut. Because that's the app you will use for this edit or whatever. So now you go to new project. When you go to CapCut, you click on new project. It will open. Then you add your video. The one you want to use for that very tutorial. You add the video. You understand? You add the video. So for me now, I want to use this very one. I want to use this very.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Okay, wait.
It is smoky.
Let me use the raw one. This is the video here. Okay. You add it. You add this video. This is the one I want to use. This is the video. I add it to my timeline. This is timeline. Okay. So I add it here. Then I'm going to mute the sound because I don't want the sound. If I play it now, you see it have sound. I want to mute this sound. I want to use another sound. I will mute it. Use these very tools to mute the sound. Then as I've muted the sound now, I'm going to add sound. Now, see these two bars, you are using it for different things. Then you have to click on audio, okay, because we want to add sound. Then you tap on sound, okay. Then we are now going to use sound from another external source. So click on this very folder, this very icon, click on it. It will open. Extract audio from video. We are going to extract audio from that video, that very video that we downloaded from YouTube, which is, you tap on this. Then you locate that video we downloaded, which is this one. This is this one now.
Jesus!
This is this one.
Jesus!
Hey! So you say add, you tap on add. Once
God
you tap on
mercy.
add, once you tap on that add, it will add it. It will add it. It will add it. It will extract like this. Once it extract like this, then you tap on add. It will add to that your content like this on the timeline. If you play now,
Jesus!
you see
Jesus!
sound is playing. But now you may want to choose which of the funny sound you need. It has different sound already. If I play it now,
Jesus!
let me move forward.
God have mercy upon us.
This is another one. This is another one. Move forward.
I don't want peace.
This is another
I want
one.
problems always.
You move forward.
Smoky.
This is another one. You move forward.
Let be poor. Breathe.
Another one. Move forward. Different sound. It have different sound. Move forward. You see different sound. So you choose what you want. See how to choose what you want now. If you play it now, if this is what you want, then you now go to the particular place that very sound you want is. This is highlighted already. You go there. I use these tools. This is a split tools. This one will split the sound. You tap on split, it will split it. You tap on this one, then you throw this one away. If this is not what you want, you throw it away. Okay? Then you now choose from here to cut what you want. Okay? But let me use another sound for you. Let me now undo. If you want to undo, you undo. Use this undo to undo your cut, your split. So let me go from beginning. I want to choose a particular funny one. Okay? Let me play it from here.
Jesus!
I don't need this one. Let me fast forward.
Mercy upon us.
Let me fast forward.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. Why are you running?
Okay, I need this. Why are you running? I need it.
Why are you running?
I need it. You see, I stop it. Then I go back to pick it from there. I don't need all these ones that started, all these sound that started, I don't need them. So I will split it now and throw this one, and I will highlight the one I don't need. I will tap on it, it will highlight. Then I will use delete tools to delete it. I've deleted those ones. Now I have to drag this one, drag it to the beginning. Don't drag from this white place. Don't drag from there. Okay? Just drag. Don't even highlight itself. Just drag it. It will go. Just drag it. Drag it. It will go. Just drag it. Drag it like this. Tap on it. Drag it. It will go. Yes. They have gone to the beginning. Then
Why are you running?
you can see
It is smoky.
that why are you running have started.
Why are you running? It is smoky. Obìnrin.
No, I don't want the obiri. I will remove it.
Obìnrin.
I will remove it.
Obìnrin.
Let me see where obiri start. It's here. So I tap to highlight this. I tap to highlight it. Then I will cut it. Okay? I will cut it down and I will play to see where the obiri stops so that I can cut it out. I play.
Obìnrin.
We must learn a lesson.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
This man! Oh, Mumu, not too much. Let be poor.
Okay. I need this. Let the poor breathe.
Let
I need it. I need it. So now let me highlight it and cut. So I'm throwing this one where obiri starts and all those ones I don't need. I will throw it away with these delete tools. I've thrown it away. Now I need this one. Let me play to see where it will stop, so I can pick it up and join the other one.
be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them.
A town hall different from blue. Bulaba.
I need that.
You be
Bulaba.
I need that one. So I need from here stop at town hall different from. I need all this one.
be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them.
Blue.
Yes. So I will tap it. I will cut it. So now I'm throwing. I need this one, but I don't need all this one. So let me throw all this one away. I will throw all this one away. You have seen it. So now this one that I need, I'm going to join it to the first one. Look at the first one that I cut
Why
out.
are you running? It is smoky.
You see now it have stopped. So let me go and join the one I've cut out. This one, I need it. So I will tap on it. It will highlight like this. I will drag it. Okay. Drag it like this. Small. Tap. Drag it like this. Drag it. To meet the other one. Drag it again. Drag it more. Small. That's okay. Then now let me play it again.
Why are you running? It is smoky.
Let be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them. a town hall different from blue. Blue.
You see, that's it. So let me extend this to reach the video. So let me play it again.
Different from blue. Blue. Bulaba.
That's it. So that's what I want. Then let me remove this TikTok watermark. Delete it. I've shown you how to do that before. So now play it again.
Bulaba.
Yes, that's it. You can see I've put this very funny audio inside this video, and I've muted this very video. That's what we want to achieve in this very tutorial. So that's just it. Then you can do your overlay. Okay, you can tap on this very video. Then you can now do your overlay. Tap here, then you use this overlay. Overlay is to put your picture on this very content. Tap on overlay, add overlay. You are just trying to make a difference from the original content so that it will become your own. You won't have copyright problem. I'm adding my image. I will adjust it. The video is taking too long, but I just want you to learn it. Then I will now put it anywhere I like. That is overlay. This one is overlay. You understand? So I will drag it to start to stop where that's it.
Baba.
Yeah. So now I've done this. I've add my
Why are you running?
It is smoky, Igbo.
picture. I've add my picture as overlay on this very content. Okay. So now let me put text to talk what this thing, whatever I want the caption to be. I will just click on this place. Then text, tap on text, add text. Then choose the style of text you want. Choose the style. I've teach you how to do this before. Choose the style. Then you type whatever you want. You can say why are you running? Why are you running? Then you now drag it to anywhere you want the caption to be. That will be the caption, or you can put it here. Anywhere. Then you now drag your caption also to make it reach the end of the video. Okay, drag it, make it to reach the end of the video. Drag it, yeah, it's there. That's it. So now play
Why are you running?
It is smoky, Igbo.
Let's be poor. Breathe.
You can see it now.
Don't suffocate them.
You can see.
A town hall different from blue. Blue. Bulaba.
So that's it. You have seen it now. We have edited it and used a funny audio on this very content. So you can do it to any content. You can use any one. So that's just it. Okay. This video is getting very long. So let me just do fast. So now, as you have done with it now, you can now export it with these very tools here. Tap on it and export it. That's just it. Tap on it and export it. So that's it. That's end. You tap on done. Tap on done. So it's already done. You go to your file. Go to your file. You will see it. Go to your file. Go to your file. You will see it there. Look at it.
Why are you running?
It is smoky, Igbo.
Let's
It's there. This is it.
Why are you running? It is smoke Igbo.
You see it.
Let's
So
be
that's
poor.
it. That's it. Then you can now use something like this panda compressor to compress it. This very panda. You can use this very app, this panda, to compress your video. Okay, I've shown you the other time. Use it to compress your video so that it will be smaller for you to post it. That's just it, how to do that. Then you post it on Facebook. That's it. Thank you.